and welcome to another YouTube video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the copper backtank and the netherite backtank. Now you probably want like a source. You're going to want something pointing upside down. So you're going to want something pointing like this, because otherwise it's not going to work. So first what you want to do is place your copper or netherite backtank. And now what you want to do is connect it with a shaft, or really it doesn't matter, and then your power source. You can power this. Keep in mind, don't make it go too fast because it has a limit of 15 minutes, and if you go over that, you're going to break the tank because it can't hold all that data. And then once you do that, what you're going to want to do is get all of the armor or whatever. So what you're going to want is the netherite diving boots and the netherite diving helmet. Put them on. And then, once you have that on, you want to just go and get a pickaxe. You just want to get a diamond pickaxe. And now what you want to do is you just want to get one of the backtanks. Takes a very long time. So once you get the backtank, I'm just going to quickly throw some stuff out of my inventory. I do not have the space and time for it right now. You're going to hold it, put it on, and then right here, you'll see that the timer has the backtank has a timer with a picture. It can hold a max of 15 minutes worth of air, and then you still have the 10 bubbles that you have to breathe out, so that should be enough. That's how to use the copper backtank in Minecraft. Also, it seems like the copper backtank makes you heavier. So, I'm pretty sure it makes you heavier. But that's how to use the copper backtank in Minecraft. Create mod. Make sure to like and subscribe and have a great day.